Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a zombie land game. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the game. We go full screen and then we go over here, we start the game. Okay, so first of all you start with a pistol, click space to shoot, and then if you want to change gun, click number 2, which is a machine gun. It shoots a lot faster. Yes, it shoots a lot faster. Now let me just 1 is pistol, 2 is machine gun. Okay, so that's how you know. Okay, now let's move it down to the machine gun. I wanna move down. Yeah, don't let the zombies touch you. You'll die. They'll kill you. Don't become a zombie. It's bad. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's the game. And now let's show you how to make it. Okay, so here we start with the scratch. We don't need the spirit. And then, but we need another type of spirit. We paint one. Let's paint, we make one. Okay, so circle. We make not that big of circle, just a small little nice circle. Okay, that's too big. It's too big. We need the smaller. Okay, that's okay. If you look over here. Nah, that's not okay. We need this bit smaller. Okay, and that's good size. Yes, that's the size we need. Okay, let's zoom in to make the hands more and more. Okay, I need to reset the size of the screen. Okay, there. Now we make the hands. We need a thick 8. 8 is good. This and like this. Okay, let's just make 2 hands better because we need space in the middle for the gun. Like that and like that. Yes, okay, that's okay. And now we need to make the gun. Okay, so for the gun, let's make first with a pistol. Okay, the pistol would be, I'll just make it green from the inside. Green over there, a bit dark there. That's gonna be the type of pistol. Yes, so we need to rotate a little like that maybe. Yes, that's good. This is our first character. Wait, let's go back. Okay, there, that's good. Now we drag him to the middle if he's not a bit better in the middle. Yes, over here. Okay, we drag them, make them here, and then we make it a group. That's be good. Yes, so now it's a group. We move it around over here. This is the middle. That's the middle. Okay, now let's just stay with this with only the pistol. Okay, let's do when clicked. Switch costume. Let's make a variable. And then we'll name it. Make a variable gun. We'll name it gun. Okay. So let's go here and now we say make when clicked looks switch costume to gun, switch costume to gun. Okay, so we want the costume to switch to gun. Okay, now over here we set gun to pistol. Set gun to pistol. and then we name the spirit. Let's go to costumes. We name the spirit pistol. Yes. So here pistol, and then we make a switch costume to set gun to pistol, switch costume to gun. Always, like whatever, switch costumes to gun. Stuff whatever. And then after we do over here we have to do if key, what is this sensing right there, key up arrow pressed, then move 5 steps. 5 steps. Yes, 5 steps. Okay, and if key, if then key down arrow pressed, move -5 steps. Okay, so if we try that, okay, this we need it goes the wrong way, so if I click down it goes forward, and if I click up it goes back, so that's why we just point 90 degrees, point direction 90. Yes. Now it's still the same thing, that's why we just do 5 steps over here and -5 steps. Okay, that's good. Okay, so, and then of course we wanted to point. Nah, wait, we need to do a little of just of -90, and then this is back to -5, and this is back to 5. Okay, so like this. -5, and then 5. Okay, now that's good. That's okay for now. We go to costumes, and then we make it. Now we do this group. Yes, and then we need to make it look a bit more. Yeah, there it goes. Now that's straighter. Okay, so then we go for the code, and then if key down arrow pressed, go yes. If, and then we do an if then, another if then, but this time it would be key right arrow pressed, move or turn 5 degrees, and then go see, like that. Yeah, and we duplicate it, but we do now left, and then minus, and then no, we changed actually this, and we do it turn 5 degrees at this side. So now there it goes. You see, it's moving perfectly okay. Yes, but now we need to we need to, like, for the guns to change, we need to make a new spirit. Here, paint one, new costume. We make literally the same size, but we just change the gun. Nah, that was wrong. Okay, we choose here. Wait. No. I only want the hand and the the body. No, that either. Yes, there it goes. We copy here, and then we don't need this. And then paste. Yes, but now we change the gun and we make it light green. We can make it light green. And then light green. Green, that's light enough. There it goes. And then we need it to look more like a machine gun. That's why I'll use this. But this would be yellow for the ammos. There it goes. That's good. Okay, so that looks more like it. Let's do the same thing for the other side. There it goes. Yeah, now the same thing. Now if we do, now we'd have to do if then key 1 pressed, one pressed there, then set gun to machine gun. Set gun to machine gun. And then we name this costume over here machine gun. And we make this a group. Yes, now if we start all over again, number 2. Number 2 pressed. And then duplicate. No, not over there. There. Number 1. So to pistol. Yes, now 2 1 2 1 2. Still the same thing. Yes, so that's the first part of this video, and hope you watch the second part. See you next time.